Join me as I take on the challenge of replacing my soffit and fascia in just one day. If you're like me, you probably noticed those unsightly soffits and fascia boards on your home's exterior. But what exactly are they? Simply put, soffits are the underside of your roof's overhang, while fascia boards are the horizontal boards that run along the roof's edge. They play a crucial role in keeping your home dry and protected from the elements, while also adding curb appeal. Over time, these components can take a beating from Mother Nature. Water damage, pest infestation, and rotting wood are just a few common issues homeowners face with old or damaged soffit and fascia. I've seen it myself. A small gap in the soffit can lead to a big problem down the line. Pests like squirrels and raccoons love to make their homes in these areas, causing damage and potentially even entering your attic. And let's not forget about water damage. When soffits and fascia boards are damaged, water can seep in and cause serious problems. These issues can be costly to fix if left unchecked. I've heard horror stories from friends who've had to replace entire sections of their roof because they didn't address the problem sooner. But the good news is that replacing soffit and fascia is a manageable DIY project. You can prevent these problems from occurring in the first place by being proactive. It's essential to inspect your soffit and fascia regularly to catch any potential issues before they become major headaches. To get started, you'll need a few essential tools, a ladder, some basic hand tools, and a supply of new soffit and fascia materials. For this project, I used aluminum soffit and fascia boards, but you can also use vinyl or wood. The key is to choose materials that are durable and low maintenance. Begin by removing the old soffit and fascia boards, taking care not to damage the surrounding areas. Next, inspect the area for any signs of water damage or pest infestation. Make any necessary repairs before installing the new soffit and fascia. Here's where things get exciting. With your new materials in hand, it's time to start installing. Start by installing the fascia boards, making sure they're securely fastened to the roof's edge. Then, move on to the soffits, ensuring they're properly ventilated to prevent moisture buildup. As you can see, it's a straightforward process that requires some patience and elbow grease. But trust me, the end result is worth it. This time